girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a light blue eyeshadow look. It's real pretty, real simple. You can wear it out, or you can even wear it every day if you wear makeup every day. So the first thing I did was put some scotch tape on the side of each eye just to help shape the eyeshadow and prevent some fallout. And now what I'm doing is putting some concealer all over my eyelids. If you have an eyeshadow primer, use an eyeshadow primer. I didn't have any. And what this does is just going to help the eyeshadows show up on your eyelids, and it's going to help stay on all day. So here I'm going to take this beige shadow and I'm just going to set that concealer. That way it just doesn't move anywhere. And now I'm going to take this white eyeshadow. I'm going to put it on the corner of each eye. And this is going to help the blue show up on my eyelids a little more. And right here, I'm just going to take this dark blue shadow and I'm going to focus on the corner of my eye. And next I'm going to take this turquoise color and I'm going to put this right next to the dark blue. Not directly on top, but on the side of it. Now I'm going to take this light blue and I'm going to focus this in the middle of my eyelid. And finally, I'm going to take these two light beige shades and I'm going to put them on the inner corner of my eyelids. Now I'm going to take this light brown shade and I'm going to focus this on the crease of my eyes. And this is going to help remove those harsh lines. Just do a nice circular motion. It works every time. And now I'm going back in with all three blues just because I feel like they kind of wore off a little bit when I did my crease. I'm just going to add the dark blue, the turquoise, and the light blue just so it'll show up more. And now I'm going to use a black shade and I'm going to focus this on the outer corners of my eyes. It's just going to give it a little smoky look, and it's also going to help when I do my wing eyeliner. Now I'm just going to remove my tape. And see how much that helped? It's like a perfect line. And now I'm going to take that turquoise blue and I'm going to put it on the bottom eyelid. Just to bring the look together, only halfway. I'm going to also take that black shadow again, and I'm going to put that on top of the turquoise color on the bottom lid. And now I'm just going to put some liquid eyeliner on, and I'm going to create a wing. I should have kept my tape on. If you're doing this, keep that scotch tape on while you're doing your eyeliner. It's going to help a lot when you're trying to do that sharp wing look that we want. And now I'm just going to take that white eyeshadow again and just highlight my brow bone. And I'm also going to use that white eyeshadow and put it on my tear ducts to help it pop a little bit. And now I'm just going to line my lips with these light brown lip liner. Oh, and I'm struggling over here. I need to sharpen it. I couldn't find my sharpener, so you know what? Just forget it. And now I'm going to use this shimmery pinkish beige, I don't know what color it is, metallic lip gloss. Very neutral, very good for this look. And now, of course, you know we can't forget about the mascara. I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes so they can be as long as they can be. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Try it out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo.